funny face photo shoot, a funny face photo shoot. So we have a professional photographer in the house. His name is York Ali, and he's from Walter's Wedding. So he'll tell us what we need to do, and we're just going to do it.
All right, so
tell me quickly about your little business.
Okay, so Walter's Weddings, we are a full-service wedding company, but we focus mainly on video and photography. Yeah. And we also do special events, baby blessings,
everything.
Everything.
So what you want us to do?
So what we're going to do right now is whatever I tell you to do, you just make up the face to match that. So, Neville, very quick. So Neville, first one.
Neville.
So the first one is
Simone.
When the dumpling too tough. When the dumpling too tough. You're biting into it and it's just too tough. Simone, your turn. What about your when the dumpling too tough?
Yeah,
all right. You're
right.
driving past the cow farm and the AC now work, the windows down. Yeah, that look like it. That look like it. So here's a fun one.
Can it come out so quick?
So here's a fun one.
We're so skilled.
So here's a fun one.
Let's see if that up. Yes, that
when he's
AC
proposing, when you're proposing.
When I'm proposing?
Yeah, man. When he's want to marry you or something.
I know you will want me propose.
How about when you buck your toe?
Don't turn your back to the.
When you buck your toe. What about when you buck your toe? What about when you buck it?
All right.
That looks like
so
it.
me go see them, no man. Me go see them. Quick.
I buck my toe regularly, so I'm very familiar with that.
That covers it for now, you know. Oh,
that is when I was proposing.
Awesome. How about when the waitress brings you the wrong food?
That's the buck toe.
That is the buck toe, man. Hey, look, I like what really buck me toe. That's good. That's good. All right, so where can you be found?
We can be found at waltersweddings.com. And anytime, anywhere, just give us a link. And on Facebook, Walter's Weddings.
Yeah, all right. Thanks a lot. So
Which one is this? Unknown caller.
Yeah, I say I would that.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Walter.
Yeah, man, good to see you.
All right, what we doing? Roll out next?
Yep, roll out after this. So we just want to walk across now. Let me get the names right. Is it King Tyler? Yeah. Fraction and Kim Styles? All right, so Kim Tyler, you know how it works, folks. We do a minute each. We have 3 contestants, and we don't have a whole lot of time, so we're going to rush through this one. So the first contestant up this morning is King Tyler.